like to say that a healthy soul is followed by a healthy mind and a healthy body. So I would like to start my day with a healthy regime, that is waking up early, eating the right amount of breakfast and going for a daily exercise. Second, as New Year's is all about love, I would like to show gratefulness to my parents who has always been a motivating factor in my life.
Since I'm an entrepreneur, New Year goals and commitments are really important for me. Like understanding my own finances, keeping a stable balance between my work life and personal life, and I want to become a role model for my employees by becoming a strong leader, and to increase my profits in my business by growing my network.
People who never made mistake never lived their life. I had made many mistakes in 2021 and my New Year resolution in 2022 is to overcome those mistakes. And here I am entering in 2022 with a great smile.
Happiness in your life depends on the quality of your thoughts. The new year coming around, my resolution is to improve myself intellectually and professionally. But when I say professionally, it does not mean academically. It means drinking good water, living a good life and enjoying every moment in it.
Prioritize mental health as it is the need of the hour and also help the people who need it.
Time flies real quick. 2021 has left behind many memories. I pledge to manage my time, my resources and grab all the opportunities come my way. I pledge to excel myself in all possible ways which would make me as a better person and have a great life. Cheers.
Change is the only constant. My New Year resolution is to rise above little things.
When you live a life of a student, every moment is dynamic. Every minute has new challenges for you. Thus, my New Year resolution is to excel in whatever I do and to give 200% to all the challenges which come forward to me. I am Sahil. Wish you all a very happy New Year.
I am Kanika. Happy New Year.
I am Jeet Adani. Happy New Year.
I am Akriti. Happy New Year.
I am Naman and Happy New Year.
I am Pragati. Happy New Year.
I'm Vedant. Happy New Year.
I'm Prangna. Happy New Year.